Y'all, I am trying to figure out. So me and Jordan are going to go on a vacation for his birthday, as we kind of always do around this time, kind of, sort of, not really, but yeah. So I'm trying to figure out like what I want to do with my hair, because both places that we're potentially going are like tropical moisture type of places. So obviously that means that I can't have my natural hair out. I definitely am going to need to either be doing a weave or a wig or braids, and I'm actually thinking about doing some, I want to do braids, y'all, but then I'm trying to figure out like what style I want to do, because I don't want it to just be braids. Like I'm thinking like half up, half down. I'm not a swimmer, y'all. Like I don't know how to swim, so I don't anticipate me being like real underwatery with it, like, you know, none of that type of stuff. But I'm still like, bro, what the fuck? It is a fly or a little knit up in here. I don't know if it's because we have so many plants or if it's because we be having fresh produce. I don't know why there's always like a little gnat just constantly up in the house. I'm not gonna be submerged underwater. Like I'm not going underneath the water. Like no. Once the water gets in here, baby, I need to stop. We need to head back to land because I'm gonna start panicking. I was literally having a silent panic attack inside when he was talking about all these different excursions and shit. I was just like and I'm just like, I'm scared. Like if I can't reach the bottom of the pool or the water or anything, that's when I start to panic. And like I said, then once it gets here, it's a wrap. I really want to go to Ross. Like I want to text Ashley and be like, let's go to Ross, because I know she's gonna want to go to Ross. But then I don't need to go to Ross, and that's why I started figuring out like, okay, wait, this vacation about to be here in like 2 weeks. Like I really need to figure out what the heck I'm doing, what I'm packing, what I'm wearing, what my hair is gonna be like, you know, especially being that you have to make appointments for these type of things. I need to make my appointments. So just trying to figure all of that stuff out, obviously, you know, within a very tight window. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I just feel like today's gonna be a great day. Vlog. Y'all, I'm always in the same place, in my living room, but my hair is a bit of a mess. I just have to like go out and get my package. But my Fashion Nova overcame order came. And if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, follow me on Instagram, because in real time I ask y'all real stuff and I be wanting y'all real opinions. So follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook while you're at it. If you guys are seeing this, we're probably going to already be in Cabo, y'all. So it was a toss up between 2 locations, actually 3, because Cabo was not one of the 2. But it was a toss up, and now we are booked and ready to go. So I didn't really need to order a lot of stuff. I just needed to order a few things. I have a lot of things from when we went to Mexico last year and Miami last year, and even my birthday earlier this year. I just ordered so many things. So like I literally have a resort wear drawer where all of my stuff that I'm just like, I would never wear these things unless I'm going on vacation. Now I'm like pulling stuff out because I'm like, oh, I got this, I got this, I got this, and I haven't worn these things. So I'm so excited. But it's gonna clean the wig. Jordan, we're gonna boil the wig. Boil the wig. It's not gross. I'm actually gonna use one of the shampoos that I got. I'm gonna use the remnants of my leave-in conditioner, actually. And I'm gonna see what you're doing.
Just making sure it's getting warm.
It's getting warm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's what I do when I make my pasta too. That's how I check the water.
Don't you stop. Look, you didn't even wash your hands.
I did wash my hands.
Just because you got a napkin don't mean you wash your hands. All right, so we're gonna boil it. I'll show you guys. Once it starts to boil, the girl said to put in the products. So I'm gonna let it boil first, then we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna dunk the wig. We're gonna leave it in there for 15 minutes, and then we're going to just let it do what it do. She said it's gonna be like, it's gonna pull all the dirty stuff. Oh my gosh, the camera's about to die. It's gonna pull all the dirty stuff and stuff. So I'll show you guys once it's all done and clean, I guess. So these are all the clothes that I'm gonna be taking. So they're kind of over here. You guys will see the fits on Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at iloveyoutrell. Yeah. And I got over here some of the purses that I'm gonna bring. I'm still thinking that I'm gonna bring one more purse just to be on the safe side. Here's all my sexy lingerie. I actually need to do a Savage Fenty haul for you guys because I realized even today, like, yes, girl, I have a lot of stuff from their site. So I would love to give you guys my recommendations. So I'll definitely do that at some point. And then I literally have some clothes that Jordan ordered for me that are on the way. And then I told you guys about, or I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, then I told you, but on Instagram, I like showed you guys some outfits that I got like from Fashion Nova, and it was like an orange outfit. I'm still trying to figure out how I can make the outfit work because right now it just is not giving. It's not giving what the pictures was giving, thus not giving what my outfit in mind was giving. So yeah, and then I also have like three pair of shoes actually, on their way from ASOS that are literally gonna arrive the day before we leave. So I'm cutting it close. But what I'm about to do right now is actually get in the shower and wash my hair and get ready to, you know, start the process of getting my wig situation going. So you guys saw that I washed the wig, or I boiled the wig. So right now the wig is right here and it is drying somewhat. I'm not trying to put too much heat on it, so I think I'm gonna just let it air dry, and then I'm probably going to still use a blow dryer to get it a little bit more straight, and then I'm going to straighten the hair. I did just order some stuff from Sally's and Amazon. I need to figure out the makeup that I'm gonna bring. I have to wash my brushes. I need to figure out the makeup that I'm gonna be bringing, and then I think it'll be time to fully pack. Like I'll be able to actually see everything. That's why I haven't cleaned this up yet, because I need to see everything, and then I'll be able to start packing and putting things away. So we leave on Thursday, so we have some time, but not a lot of time. I am going to be getting my wax done on Tuesday, and then I'm going to be getting my nails and my toes done on Tuesday. And I'm actually going to a new nail shop that Ashley told me about that she goes to. So that is the itinerary. That's the plan for what, you know, the rest of this week entails as far as getting prepared to go on vacation. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are ready to continue on with the process, and let's go. Okay, so I actually want to show you guys, this morning I went to Target and I grabbed a few like toiletries and essentials. So I want to show you guys that stuff today before I like forget, because I will forget, and I'll start pulling stuff out and doing things with it. Got the Tresemme shampoo. So I also grabbed like a conditioner. So I got 2 of these. We have a Pool. We always gotta have an Pool. And so I will be getting in the water. So I don't anticipate like getting like under the water, like, you know, your girl can't swim. So I don't anticipate being like drenched in the water or submerged, shall I say, but I do think I'll probably have to wash my hair while I'm there. So I grabbed some of those. Colgate toothpaste. This is an optic white. This is like the regular toothpaste that we use. So I decided to grab these in just travel sizes, and I got, again, one for me, one for Jordan, because boys don't know how to like just use a, like, you know, a decent amount. Like he always got to go overboard with it. So I was like, here's your own toothpaste. I got some of my lotions. So I use the Nivea lotion. Like this is the lotion that I use on a regular basis. So they had these in travel sizes. I could have just like, you know, did like, you know, some of mine's inside of another thing, like a travel size container thingy, but I'm actually running out. So that is perfect, because that way I don't have to use what I have, and I'll have a little bit more left. I also got some Clorox wipes. Y'all know COVID here, monkeypox is coming. I got these for us to just like wipe down like on the plane, and then also when we get there. So I also grabbed some of these flushable wipes. We use like, you know, the wipes to wipe your butt after, you know, do your do. So I grabbed these because we never take any on vacation. So I grabbed us some bug spray just because I don't really know what the bug situation is gonna be like, and I don't anticipate there being a lot of bugs, but you never know. So I grabbed some of this for us to take. I got a travel size of the Dove deodorant. I grabbed some hair scrunchies just because I didn't have no hair scrunchies, sis. I grabbed it 2 of these little, like, you know, refillable type of things. I think what I'm gonna put in here is like my face wash that I have. That's like my medicated face wash, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in the other one, but it's always good to have some of these just in case. And last time I went on vacation, guys, we had sunscreen, but we didn't have a good sunscreen. So honestly, like, I am one of those people that just be thinking like, oh, I got melanin, sis, I don't need no sunscreen. And I know that's not true, and I know that's not accurate, and I need to be better. So what I did get was the Black Girl sunscreen, and this one is the SPF
$30. So this was actually the last one that they had. I went to Target the first time and I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. And then I went back this time and this was literally the last one. So I grabbed this. This is a little bit expensive, but for people who are not aware of this product, this is like a black girl friendly sunscreen, meaning that it is not gonna give you that cast. It's not gonna look all ghostly and whatnot. And that's honestly the reason why I don't wear sunscreen, because I just be like, what is going on with this color? Like, it's not the right color. So I grabbed some of this for me and Jordan both to wear, because just because it says black girl don't mean that he can't wear it too. So I got some of that, and that is pretty much what I got from Target. I got like some regular like household things, but that's not what this is about. So this is the stuff that I'm going to be taking with us and packing away. You guys will see me actually pack this stuff up, but I just wanted to show you guys this stuff before I forgot. I picked out all the makeup that I need to take, and I'm going to show you guys just a little bit of what I picked. So these are all the face products, and then are the eye products, and then lip products are getting a little bit crazy, but I feel like I need to have options, and quite honestly, these all might look exactly the same, but they're all literally different. My mom got these for me from HSN, like literally, y'all, like over 10 years ago. I don't know if they still sell these. I don't know if this brand still makes them. This is from JM New York, and these are literally like travel size like organizers. So the small one looks like such, and it has these few different compartments here that I'm going to actually put all of my makeup in. And I don't believe, yeah, my eyeshadow palettes aren't gonna fit in there, so I'll probably put them in a bigger one. But these are also, you guys, removable, so you can take each and every one of these out, and then you can also, you know, go ahead and place them back on. And then I have this one that actually has some stuff in it that I need to clear out, but these ones are just like a little bit bigger. So in here I would keep like my makeup wipes. I have like a pack of lashes in here, and then I have like some other few makeup things. Ooh, no, actually these are supposed to be in my makeup kit. I like to use these for traveling. Obviously, I can just hold everything up and everything just fits in the suitcase perfectly. So when I was saying earlier about like all of my Target stuff that I got, this is where those things are gonna go, because I don't have like, you know, a cute little pouch, but like this is perfect. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, my hair is kind of crazy right now. I just blow dried it so that way I could get ready to braid it down and get it ready for this week. Yo, it's so weird because one side of my hair has just like always grown like a little more even than the other side, and I would just say a little bit more longer, and that is this side right here, which is the right side. And the left side is not bad, but I don't know, you could see the difference in my hair. But this is part of our Sunday day. So we cleaned the house, I steamed the floors. I didn't do my bathroom because obviously I knew that I was gonna have a bunch of hair all over the place after doing all of this. So I'll have to do that probably tonight, probably not, TBH. And then what does the closet look like? Closet's actually a little bit more under control. So I have like options. It's not guaranteed that these things are coming with me. Like I said, I have something that's supposed to be coming on Monday, so tomorrow I should be getting another package, and then I could actually fully figure out like what I'm bringing. And I think I'm gonna be taking like a check bag, because like this is just like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know, but I was telling Instagram about how obviously I feel like I need to have like at least 15 outfits, like that ass 15 outfits, change it like maybe 2 to 3 times a day. And with my makeup, the hair stuff that I'm gonna have to bring, my hats, my shoes, and everything, I just feel like it makes more sense for me to like not try to like cram everything in this small little carry-on duffel bag or roller bag suitcase, but to just bring the big one. Like, just makes more sense. So I'm probably gonna do that. But just wanted to come and show you guys a little bit of the progress that we have. Not a lot, but we are getting things done, girl. So time to like go ahead and I guess
I'm gonna walk the dog and then I'll braid my hair maybe while I watch P Valley. Good morning vlog. It is Tuesday today and my waxer is on her way, so it's time to get waxed. I'll show you guys like as much as I feel like I can show you guys. I'm not trying to show you all my stuff, but just know we're getting things tamed, okay? So I'm getting my work computer and just getting set up for her. So as you guys just seen a little bit of the process, I got my wax done. And by the way, I threw on this wig just because I have some errands and a lot of stuff to do today. On the list, I got my wax. I need to go to Kaiser to pick up my face cream, and then I need to go to Sally's to pick up my wig stuff, and then I need to go to the nail shop at 3. So pretty eventful kind of stuff, but I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I hope you guys are excited. Oh, by the way, I got Jordan's birthday gifts. They are going to be coming soon. I don't know when exactly. I'm waiting for them to let me know when it's going to ship. I also got my ASOS package and got my shoes, so I'm going to open that up today as well. Oh my gosh, I didn't even tell y'all. So remember I told y'all Jordan was ordering me some outfits. For some reason, the custom fees for like $230 on top of like paying for the actual stuff. So Jordan's kind of just like, I'm not paying the extra $230 on top of what I paid for these clothes. Like, it ain't that deep, because we don't even know if we're gonna like it or not. So we have to check with him and see like, do I have clothes coming or not? Because UPS coming back today and I don't know if, you know, they're gonna give me the package. So yeah, I'll update you guys a little bit. And I'm running out of storage, so I need to change my memory card, so I will be back.